And here's the board, or the soundboard here for the Firepower. So we went ahead and did a new TDA 2003, new 7805, replaced the 4.156 headers, replaced the 6 capacitors, did a new crystal, and then we also had a 4558 that was bad. And then we had to burn 3 new speech ROMs here as well. So get the so I think that's in. Turn that up a little bit. And then we'll go into that list. Well, there you are, sir. Thank you so much. Alright, so we've got a MPU and driver board here for, excuse me, a Firepower. So for the MPU, we did 7 sockets, 6.156 headers, the interconnect, 2 ROMs, 6810, and also installed the NVRAM that was sent in. I also replaced that crystal on there. Driver board, we installed a blinking LED, did 12 of the 0.156 headers, the interconnect, and then also the switch matrix mod there. So I will go ahead and get her powered up. Get the displays all working and lamp matrix dancing. So there's the blinking LED. We don't have any locked on coils. Have the flasher going. There it is. So we'll get her into test mode. First test will be displays. Cycle through. And then next test will be all lamps. So all lamps are firing there. And solenoids. And the special solenoids are also switch controlled. And those are all working there. And so next test is going to be switch test. So we'll just go through the diagonally here. And then the last switch in Firepower is switch 58. And I've got this board set to free play, which is setting 18, or adjustment 18, set at 00. So it is 100% working. Like I said, I've got it set up for free play. Get the NVRAM installed there for you. So it is good to go. Thank you so much.